Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Start this thing up.
I don't know how.
Push the second button. No. Yeah. Okay, no. The red thing. Twist it. Twist it like right. And then like do it like not do it. Yeah. And then once more. Okay, a little further. Okay. Now make sure it's in neutral. Ooh. And then start it up. You don't have to push the clutch in.
Oh.
What do you think? You want to take it for a rip? You want to? You think you can? So I got this little thing behind her. We'll see. Can you push the clutch all the way in now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna pull this thing out because I got too much shit in the way. What is that?
A disco ball.
That's a little disco ball right there, maybe. What do you think about this car?
Dirty.
Where should we go get the bikini? Should we get the bikini out and have you have it? Why is it too cold?
Yeah.
It's only like 50 degrees or something like that.
Too cold.
Are you ever gonna wash it in a bikini for me?
And I have a bigger.
A bigger one, yeah. That make for a better thumbnail, huh? The clickbait,
Yeah.
maybe. Pregnant girlfriend washes dusty drift car in the snow.
No.
You don't like that? She doesn't like that. But anyhow, I voted a couple months ago, but yeah, so I'm gonna maybe wash this damn thing myself since she doesn't want to do it, and then teach her how to drive it. We went for a drive a long time ago in it was like a 06 F350 with a manual in it, and she drove that pretty good, but that thing wasn't around long enough to make a video of, and it was like too dark and I didn't make a video. But anyhow, so I've always wanted her to drive this, and today's a nice day, so it's happening. What about if you do the hose? You wrote that though, huh? That's nice. That's nice of you. What do you think about this side of the drift car? Is it pretty?
No.
Is it your favorite side?
No.
Are you gonna be wall tapping this thing today?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think I should still keep you a secret of my movies? Should I start another channel of like a vlog channel, like a Trevor Jameson vlog channel? You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
What?
It's dusty.
Yeah, well, it needs a bikini wash. It's gonna snow tomorrow, so we could do a snow bikini wash. What do you think about that? Snow bikini?
No.
It ain't gonna be that cold. So I get no help, huh? Maybe hose it. Here. Yeah. Spray yourself down too. No, hey, shithead. Hey. Oh, it's the wind. Is that the kid's name or what? Oh, hey. How's it looking? Oh, you did good. How many weeks are you?
16.
16 weeks. You think it's a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl, good. Well, maybe not. No, shit no. Shit no. What do you guys think I'm gonna have? You guys think I'm gonna have a boy or a girl? I think I've been almost nice to women my whole life. Do you think?
Maybe. What does that mean?
Well, because normally if you're a shithead to women, you have women. You have a girl that like shits on you. Look at that dirty thing. That thing's dirty. Why are you doing that? What is that thing?
I don't know.
You don't. Oh no, you're supposed to know. I'm pumped about them. I talk about them every once in a while. 2 what?
240.
240. No.
Oh.
2.
JZ.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Which one's better, VVTI or non?
BBTI.
Oh, good. So did you like this thing better with the single turbos or with the single turbo or the twin turbos?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't. Okay.
I don't know the difference.
Why? Yeah, maybe I don't give you enough attention. Holy shit, we need to learn you. All right, we need to get you strapped in. How's that? Should I have driven it and taught you first, or you think you got the gist? So you know it's the normal things: first, second, third, fourth. Move all these things. All right, put your foot on the brake. Oh, you should put the steering wheel in first, yeah. So, you remember, you always got to have the clutch in when you come to a stop, and you can put it in neutral, and you don't have to have it in the clutch. All right, so pushing the clutch, put it in first.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
For them to. Alright, you can let the clutch out now.
Yeah, that's too many cars.
Too many?
To be behind me. Look at that dog.
Are you gonna rip it?
Am I in neutral?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? No.
Alright.
Try again.
Clutch in. You gotta give it a little more gas. You push in the clutch?
Thing here. How do I do this?
Yeah.
I can't.
You gotta let it out easy. Easy.
We're gonna be here for a while.
That's fine.
Okay.
Alright, just give it a little bit. Oh yeah. You're good. You can put it in fourth. into him. No, we're doing 32. You can go faster. If you want, or you can put it in fifth. Passenger seat of my own drift car, but look who's driving. Uh-oh. It'll be Monday's video. Out easy. You don't really have to give it much gas, but you can't do it. There you go. Clutch in.
Why? Because we're in reverse.
Yep.
Why can't I do it? I didn't even push the gas in, probably. That's why.
Just easier if you let it out easier. You can give it a little. clutch in first. Okay, let it out.
Let it out.
Yeah, just let it out. Alright, now just drive in a circle. Slowly increase the gas, and then as soon as it kind of starts to kick out, keep your foot on the gas, but not like full throttle.
What? I'm getting busy.
Alright, so give it a little more gas.
Bad enough?
And then just increase it a little bit more. And then like maybe go like full throttle right now. What do you think of that? Is that good?
It does that too easy.
I think you're going straight now. Then just give it gas now. Alright, just give it, you have to give it more gas.
Now?
Yeah.
I forgot. Okay.
You're close. You're doing really good though.
What time is it?
Yeah, no, you should probably get you back to work, or get you going to work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if you're late a minute, or?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Let's try one more,
Okay.
and then I'll take you to your house. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Start up. Okay, give it gas a little more, and then a lot right now. Okay, keep going. Go over there and turn around. And if it bangs the limiter like that, that's okay. I do that to it, so it's
Do what?
the rev limiter. How did you like that?
That was okay.
Okay. Now go more over there, yeah. Now tighten up the donuts. They give it more gas. Now give it a lot of gas. More.
I don't know how you control anything like that. Okay.
Alright, you done for today? Or we gotta take you to work, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Jamie, so what did you think?
I don't know. What did you think?
You did pretty good. You did pretty good. So I think we need to get her to actually do a pretty good donut though, but maybe some more space, huh? It probably just kind of scares you a little bit because of the buildings and stuff like that. Okay, well, she has to go to work, or else we'd probably be doing this for like another hour if we gave her damn feet a little bit of a rest.
Yeah, my
But,
legs are kind of shaky.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I was thinking about starting like a vlog channel. Like I said, she's like 16 weeks pregnant right now, and so we're gonna have a baby late June. I think June 28th or so is when the due date is. So have me a little Trev running around, and but yeah, so have a little motion on TV baby. But I thought about, it'd be kind of cool to do like my own like Trevor Jameson YouTube channel. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm probably gonna go ahead and start it, and I'll put a link in there. And I might do some update videos as far as like the pregnancy goes. Currently looking into buying a house right now and doing a lot of stuff like that. But appreciate you guys watching, and be sure to subscribe for more if this is one of your first videos. Done a lot of drifting in this thing, and we're gonna get her to do it too. Say bye, Jamie.
Bye.
What are you gonna tell them when you're late for work?
I was doing donuts in the car.
Alright. Is she ready for another donut?
Mm-hmm.